This is Internal Combustion Engines Laboratory. The laboratory has been established for attaining the practical knowledge by doing various experiments in the field of internal combustion engines and its performance evaluations. The laboratory is equipped with equipments such as computerized IC engines of petrol, diesel and SCR models, air compressor, fire and flashpoint apparatus and viscometers. The experiments such as valve timing, port timing and performance test for petrol and diesel engines with single and multi-cylinder engines, MOS test, retardation test are being conducted for UG and PG courses. The laboratory equipment are also being used for doing the project work of UG and PG students at the program level. There is a computerized IC engine which was purchased under TechUp 1 at the cost of Rs 4,95,000 in the year 2006.